Go to Oracle website, click on Windows installer. It start downloading. Just wait downloads to be completed. Then go to Debian website and click on 64 PC DVD. Then it also start downloading. Once it comes, start click on virtual box. It then click on next, accept the agreement license and click on next. Then next, click on install. Once installation is completes, then click on finish. Click on new button. Then a Windows will appear. Type the Debian 13.1.0. Select the ISO image which has been downloaded in the downloaded folder. Then untick the proceed with unattended installation. Then click on next. Then select the 4 GB of RAM. Then select the 2 cores of CPU out of 8. Then keep it 20 GB disk space as it is. Click on finish. Then click on Debian and click on start. Then the installation process will be started. Click on graphical install. Press enter. Select the language English. Press continue. And select the country which you live in. Continue. Then keyboard. Select as it is by default. Continue. Select the host name. Continue. And domain name leave it empty. Click continue. Select the root password and re-enter continue. Select the full username for the user and enter the password and click on continue. Use enter disk guided one. Click by default selected. Click on continue and continue. All files in one partition. Yes, continue. Finish partitioning. Write changes to disk. Yes, continue. Here you have to select yes, then continue. Wish to scan more media? No. Continue. Use network mirror? No. Continue. Depackage? No. Continue. I wanted to go with the XFCE desktop environment instead of genome. So click on it, continue. Unselect the genome and continue. By default yes, grub bootloader in your primary device. By default it will be yes. Just continue. Enter device manually or select the second one /dev SDA, then continue. So before click on continue, go back to the other Oracle window. Then make sure that your ISO file has been removed from the IDE primary device. If not, right click it, remove disk from virtual device, virtual drive. Then click on continue. Then installation will be started. Click enter. Just enter the username password, click on login. After it you can't by default go into full screen mode. To do that, click on devices and insert get addition CD image option. A CD icon showing in your desktop, double click on it. It will open a folder, open a terminal, go to that location and install autorun. Bash install autorun. CD it, bash autorun.sh. It will ask you the password. Enter the root password and click authenticate. Then till wait, press return to close the window. Just enter. So now you can go to full screen mode. So unmount the volume and right click and safely remove the volume. So now we have to add our username to sudoers list, sudoers group. So before that, I just enabled copy pasting both directional, then hyphen, enter the root password, then execute the command which copied from notepad, which enables you to add your username to a roots group. Then next step is to update the source list. Go to this path. Before that, I just reboot my system since I have added my user to admins list. So I have to log in again. Then go to the path, enter the password, then comment the first line and copy paste the lines showing in notepad. The same details I have copy pasted as well in my GitHub link provided in the description. Then update all the packages, follow the third step and hit S, Y, enter. Just press space and quit queue. And third step is also done. The fourth step is to install VM. By default, it got failed due to conflicts. So I have to remove the existing Vim version. So execute that command, hit S. Then now I actually install the Vim editor. Hit S. Now fifth step, by default when we log in, every time it asks me to enter my username manually. So I want my username to be displayed every time. So this is the step I need to follow to do that. Go to this location and copy paste the two lines shown there. Once I save here this file, this modification, so let's see, log out and let's see my username I'm able to get by default or not. Now now I can see my username is listed there. So I need to just enter the password and click login. So that's all for today. Thank you.